Best home remedies for asthma. Asthma is a condition characterized by difficulty breathing and narrowing of the airways leading to the lungs, including the nose, nasal passageways, mouth and larynx. In people who have asthma or allergies, the blocked or inflamed airways that cause asthma symptoms can usually be cleared with help from certain lifestyle changes and treatments. Symptoms: shortness of breath, breathlessness at the time of attack, wheezing, a hissing sound at exhalation, breathed out, chest tightness and pain, distended abdomen, suffered with severe anxiety, itchiness to throat and chin, frequent cough at night, uneasy in body and increase in palpitation, cold mucus production, weakness, tiredness after exercise, and enhanced pulse movement. Sign of cold like sneezing, nasal congestion and sore throat are common, and some comfort during sitting. Sleeping disorder, recurrent coughing, lower part of eyes may be darkening, difficult in speaking, moodiness, headache, running nose, etc. Sweating is also common, may difficult in hearing. Soup. Take a radish and blend it to obtain a juice from it. Mix it with some honey and lemon juice. Consume it as it will help in clearing up your respiratory tract, which will make it easier for you to breathe. Bitter gourd. Take out the juice of bitter gourd. Add paste of basil and honey to it. Mix them well. This remedy will help in curing asthmatic attacks. Warm milk. Add equal quantity of olive oil and honey to a glass of warm milk. Drink this milk along with a few garlic cloves before having breakfast. This home remedy provides natural asthma relief. Parsley leaf. Parsley leaf is a good herbal remedy for asthma cough. Prepare tea from these leaves. It will soothe the throat and chest congestion. Figs. The nutritional properties of figs promote respiratory health and help drain phlegm and alleviate breathing difficulties. Wash 3 dried figs and soak them in a cup of water overnight. In the morning, eat the soaked figs and drink the fig water on an empty stomach. Continue this home treatment for a couple of months. Garlic. The following garlic remedy can help clear congestion in your lungs during the early stages of asthma. Boil 2 or 3 cloves in 1/4 cup of milk. Allow it to cool to room temperature and then drink it. Coffee. The caffeine in regular coffee can help control asthma attacks because it acts as a bronchodilator. Hot coffee helps relax and clear the airways to help you to breathe easier. The stronger the coffee, the better the result. But try not to drink more than 3 cups of black coffee in a day. If you do not like coffee, you can opt for a cup of hot black tea. Do not use caffeine as a regular treatment though. Honey. Honey is one of the oldest natural cures for asthma. The alcohol and ethereal oils in honey help reduce asthma symptoms. Just inhaling the smell of honey produces positive results for some people. You can also mix 1 teaspoon of honey into a glass of hot water and drink it slowly about 3 times a day. Before going to bed, swallow 1 teaspoon of honey with 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This will help remove phlegm from your throat and allow you to sleep better. Onions. Onions have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce constriction of the airways when suffering from asthma. Also, the sulfur content in onions helps decrease inflammation in the lungs. Simply eat raw onions to clear your air passageways for better breathing. If you cannot bear the taste of raw onions, try eating cooked onions. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is known to open the blocked air passages and offer instant relief from asthma wheezing. Take a few drops of eucalyptus oil and add to the pot of boiling water which you use for steam inhalation. Inhale the fumes for instant relief. When you sleep, eucalyptus oil can be sprayed on your pillow or a handkerchief and kept near your nose. This will ensure that the air passages are clear and the asthma wheezing is under control. Mustard oil. Take some mustard oil and mix camphor in it. Massage with it all over the chest, till you get relief from the asthma. Make sure that you warm the oil before massaging with it so that your chest feels the warmth and gets relieved quickly. Carom seeds. Carom seeds can treat wheezing and coughing significantly because of its decongestant properties. Moreover, carom seeds also contain antifungal and antibacterial properties. Here are the ways on how to stop wheezing fast at home with Carom Seeds. Adding 1 teaspoon of Carom Seeds in a pot of boiling water. Lean over and use a towel to cover your head. Breathing in and out the steam slowly to get the immediate relief. Adding a handful of Carom Seeds in a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for a few minutes. Drink this solution daily. Heat some Carom Seeds in a microwave. Wrap them in a cotton cloth. Place it on your chest and your neck. Repeat this treatment daily. Mix jaggery and some Carom Seeds. Heat the mixture in a microwave and then eat this mixture twice daily for a few weeks until you feel the symptoms of wheezing disappear completely. Fishes. Consuming fishes, such as salmon, tuna, and sardines can be really effective in treating the problem of asthma. They all make your lungs better and stronger to fight the problem of asthma and treat it quickly and effectively. However, if you cannot consume these fishes in cooked form, then you can opt for their oils. Gooseberries, amla. Gooseberries are good for asthma. Crush a few gooseberries and add some honey to them. Consume the mixture and stay away from the problem. Additional tips. Try to identify your asthma triggers and avoid them. Steer clear of allergens, irritants and pollutants in the air, and respiratory infections. Eat herbs and spices like rosemary, sage, oregano, ginger and turmeric in your cooking. Always get immunized for pneumonia and influenza, regularly. Take proper medications in a timely manner. Do not delay it at all. If you feel sudden congestion, use an inhaler instantly. Avoid smoking and consuming too cold products, especially in winters as they can deteriorate the condition. Go for an allergy test once in every 6 months and have a check that you have not got allergic to anything. Eat at least 2 servings of cold water fish like salmon, cod, mackerel, and herring a week. You can also take omega-3 supplements after consulting your doctor. Include more fresh fruits and vegetables in your diet. Nutrients like magnesium, selenium beta-carotene, and vitamin C and E can help improve lung function. Avoid eating processed and packaged foods with artificial food additives and preservatives. The chemicals may trigger asthma attacks. Restrict your intake of milk and dairy products if you are allergic to milk proteins or have lactose intolerance due to lactase deficiency. Those who do not suffer from these problems, however, can take milk as the fats in whole milk tend to have a protective effect against asthma symptoms. Thanks for watching. For more health tips, subscribe this channel.